welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. As you guys can see from the title, today I'm going to be talking all about medical assisting continuing education credits. For those of you who don't know, I am a medical assistant. Specifically, I am a certified medical assistant through the American Association of Medical Assistants. And one of the criteria for holding this credential is that you must get a certain amount of CEUs, or continuing education units, every certain amount of years in order to renew your credential and keep it without having to retest. If you guys would like to learn more about the rules and what you have to do for CEUs and stuff like that, I will go ahead and leave a video I did all about this topic. That video is pretty popular, so I figured I would come on here and share more free CEUs with you guys, because a lot of the comments on that video are of people who wish they hadn't paid for CEUs, and I know that there are a lot of others out there who are also unaware that there are plenty of free CEUs you can acquire. I will also leave an entire playlist linked down below with all of my medical assisting content. The last video I did, like this one, was mainly about CEUs that are approved by the AAMA, which you do have to have 30 of. However, the 30 remaining credits you need can all be through non-AAMA approved organizations, and the CEUs can also be on any of the 3 topics, such as general, clinical, and admin. And lastly, before I jump into this video, I do want to let you guys know that I will have links to all of the websites I am talking about down below, as well as the direct links to the actual CEUs I'm talking about as well. And if you guys would like to see more videos like this one, definitely let me know in the comments down below. And without further ado, let's get started. So I know I mentioned that these are all non-AAMA approved websites that offer CEUs for free. However, I did want to mention that the AAMA does offer free approved CEUs every once in a while, which is why it is really important to always read through their emails they send out. They send out newsletters and monthly emails all the time, and that is how I have found 3 free CEU credits through the actual AAMA, and it is something that I always tell everyone. The emails may not interest you, but I highly recommend reading through them carefully, because in the past few months they have been offering a few free ones. I am not sure how long these free ones will be running for, and if they will still in fact be valid when you are watching this and try to go see them, but I will leave both of them linked down below. The first one is about alcohol and the immune system in association with COVID-19, and this one is worth 1 general or clinical CEU, and the second one is compassion fatigue and self-care for medical assistants, and this one's worth 2 general or clinical CEUs. I will go ahead and leave the direct links to both of them down below. However, like I did say, I'm not sure how long they will be free and valid for, but I did want to go ahead and mention them so that if you are members of the AAMA, you can go check it out and see if they are still being offered. Next up is a website that is offering 7 free CEUs. Yes, you heard that right, 7. And the website that these are all done through is the LGBTQIA+ Health Education Center, and I have actually gone ahead and done all of these myself, and they are pretty interesting, and they have a lot of really good information in them as well. The 7 different modules they are offering are behavioral healthcare for LGBTQIA+ people, healthcare for LGBTQIA+ youth, healthcare for LGBTQIA+ older adults, foundations of LGBTQIA+ health part 1, foundations of LGBTQIA+ health part 2, healthcare for transgender and gender diverse people, and the last one is HIV testing, prevention, and treatment for sexual and gender minority people. Next up, I will be talking all about Medscape, which I do believe I mentioned in my other CEU video. And what's really great about this one is that they also offer an app so you can do your CEUs on the go if you have time, and it makes it a lot easier to track them as well. And Medscape offers an absolute ton of different CEUs. However, you do need to pay attention because some of them only offer partial credit for CEUs, and what I mean by that is that some of the CEUs offered are really short 15-minute ones that you only earn 0.25 CEUs for. I will be sure to link the page that has the entire list of all the CEUs they offer, and the 3 recent ones that I have done are key considerations in peanut allergy immunotherapy, and I did this one because I personally suffer from a severe peanut allergy allergy, and it had a lot of interesting information in it. I did the one that talks about whether eating disorders in children are on the rise during the COVID-19 pandemic, and I also did one on the review of current and potential paradigms of HR positive, HER2 negative early breast cancer management. Another website is actually geared more towards nurses. However, they do offer a free CEU, and since it is medical related, you can apply it to being a medical assistant. And the website is Nurse CE for Less, and the particular CEU I am talking about is the drug diversion training, which is worth 3 CEUs. And when you are registering to make an account to do the CEU, make sure you select ANCC as the organization, and then just go ahead and leave the license number blank. The next website is Medline University CE Courses, and when registering and making your account for this one, it is important that you register as an independent learner under your specific state, because these modules are in fact associated with the actual Medline University. However, you do not have to be a student there in order to do the CEUs. You just have to pay attention and register as an independent under your specific state. They offer a bunch of different CEU courses, but the two that I have done and found the most interesting are Topics for Pain and Pain Management, which was worth 1 CEU, as well as the module on sensitive and dignified care for bariatric patients, which was also worth 1 CEU. And the last website I will be mentioning is a website called Medtigo, and you may have seen some of their advertisements on Facebook or Instagram, and they offer a free BLS or basic life support class, as well as a bunch of other advanced CPR classes. And on top of that, they also offer a few free CEUs, and the majority of their free CEUs are actually through Baylor College of Medicine. However, this is another one of those websites where you do not have to be a student in order to complete the modules. And like I said, they do offer a ton of different ones. However, the two I have found most interesting are Medical Error Prevention, which is worth 1 CEU, as well as Medical Ethics Conflict of Interest, which is also worth 1 CEU. If any of you guys have found free CEUs offered on specific websites, definitely let us all know what they are down below. It's not always as easy as going on Google and looking up free CEUs. A lot of these are ones that I had to dig for. So those are just a bunch of free CEUs that you guys can get that are all non-AAMA approved. Remember that 30 of the credits you do obtain must be AAMA approved, and 10 of them must be general, 10 of them must be clinical, and 10 of them must be admin. You should also know that 9 times out of 10 you are going to in fact have to pay for admin credits. I have yet to find a single place that offers a free AAMA approved admin credits. Like I said in the beginning, I will have all of the websites mentioned in this video down below, as well as the actual CEUs I am talking about. If you guys liked this video and want to see more like it, definitely give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments down below. While you guys are down there, be sure to hit that subscribe button. I upload new content regularly and would love it if you become part of our little family. Also, be sure to hit the bell so that you are in fact notified every time I do upload a new video. I hope you guys like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys!